Yeah. Okay. So the first point that I'm going to make about the topic, and the topic is simple. It's how can we inspire other people? Like I have few people in my life from whom I got inspired, like Elon Musk and APJ Abdul Kalam from our India. Sometimes I watch Osho, Sadhguru. So these are the people from whom I sometimes I get just inspiration, not from people just because the work they are doing, the wisdom and the virtue they are providing us. So according to me, if we want to inspire any other people, first of all, we need to act. I mean, act like we need to work something for us. We need to inspire firstly us. Like anyone will get inspired from you if they find you some like any particular traits or any work that you are doing and that can help them in their life, maybe in their work, in their job, anything. So this is how we can inspire very simply. But if we are actually going to actually inspire other people, this is how it's not gonna work. And just take an example of all the leaders and all the people that we found, and we find that okay, somehow I can get inspired from them. Einstein, Elon Musk, APJ Abdul Kalam, and sometime also nowadays PM Modi for different people. So the only reason is they have done something, that they have done something in our mind that is, I mean, for us, at least for initial stage, it is not possible. Or sometimes we get motivated, sometimes we have a inspiration to work. Okay, so that's why we get uh, motivation and we get inspiration from all those people, from Vivekananda as also. So the only thing that they are different from other people and it made them different from other people, that is work, that is job they are doing. Not a people are just the same, they are same like us, they are human, but their mind, their work, they it makes them very very different from other people. And this is how we get inspiration. So if we want someone that they may inspired from us, we need to do something better. Okay, this is the point that I want to make. And now Nabil.
Yes. Actually, if I talk about the inspiration of people, I have inspired many peoples in our life, but like Steve Jobs and Elon Musk also. But present time, I watched some videos of Shoaib and I really influenced from him because I really like his video and his psychology, his attitude. He tell the things in different way. He talk about something. So I really like her. He has a two channels on Mansutra and Shoaib Gangwar. I subscribe both channels and I completely influenced by
Yeah.
him. So I can say, but you told something that why we influence any people, why we motivate from any people. So there are some basic things you can say. They have specific knowledge on that field. They have a completely full knowledge of that field. That's why we influence from them, and they have knowledge of that particular subject, and they are master on that specific field. They know very well about ins and outs of that field. That's why we are attract from them. Because if you know about some celebrities, why we are attract from celebrities? Because they have a genuine knowledge. They have a completely mastered on that skills. That's why we are attract from them. And if we talk about ourselves, that how can we attract people, how can we inspire the people of anything? So we have to do work. We have to be pragmatic person. We have to do work. We don't think hypothetically. We should do work. We have to do work. If you do work and people see it, so they will definitely inspire from you. So it is the things. And I think every person, they have their some ideal, and this they should follow him or her. That's why they can achieve their goal easily, because if you have a good ideal, so you can follow them and you can achieve your goal easily. And the second thing is, I think if you talk about any celebrity of any people, they are very genuine person. They are completely real person. They don't do anything fake kind of thing. They always look like an honest person. So we have to learn from them. We have to gain some qualities and we have to implement in our life. That is why we can learn through them and we can implement some things in our life. So that is the thing. And the last thing is, if you talk about some celebrities, they have a good emotional stability. You never thought, you never saw them that they get angry, they get frustrated, they get worried or dispirited. Sometimes they have a controlled emotion. So it is also a big thing if you know how to control your emotions, because every time in your life, zigzag life is going on, because sometimes ups and downs is a part of our life. So how can we react when we are in a really difficult situation or very hard situation? So how can we react on that time? So we can learn also these things in our inspired people or ideal people which we want. So that's it.
Yeah. All right. Kajol.
So what was the name you subscribed? Naveen?
Shwetab,
Hello.
Shwetab Gangwar,
Yeah.
and his English
Please write
channel name
it
is
down.
Mansutra. Yeah, I will write it down, of course.
Yeah. Okay. Kajol.
Yeah,
Yeah.
can I say after after some time
Okay.
at
Mm-hmm.
last?
Sure. Yogesh. No problem. Yogesh.
Yes, I will start.
Yeah.
We have inspired from many peoples in our life, so this is important for us. Then when people doing new things in their life, so inspiration is very important for who their success. And so I have subscribed one channel, Dr. Sandeep Patil. So they told in their videos, so how we can communicate with other people, and how is your behavior. So this is very important in our life. And lots of ways to inspire other people. We can tell we can tell story about successful people to other, and what they face in their life, and how did they work in their life, and how they get success. So we can tell a story about the ideal. And so most important inspiration is, so I in my opinion, so we don't need to watch any videos. So most important inspiration is what your parents did for your education. So this is very important inspiration for us, and we remember while working. So this is most
Yeah.
inspiration for us.
Okay.
Right.
Yeah, so that's from my side.
Okay. Monty.
Actually, totally, I'm inspired from my father, and also on internet I watched many videos, and there were many YouTubers from which I inspired, but mostly I inspired from my parents and my father mostly, because whenever he comes after a year, because he's in army, so he tell me the everything, because he had posted in more than 15 states in the India. Not only India, he also go to the foreign countries, and he just tell me the different tactics that how to handle with the person. And not only tactics, but he also tell me that many situation in many difficult situation, that how to handle it. And at that point, that is the most important uh, task for me, that how to handle it. He just guided me in this level, because he just tell me that how to reduce the tension, how to go through the from the depression, so that you cannot exhaust from that situation. So he's the most important person for me to inspiration. And I was, I think there were many army officers who were martyred, and they were also my inspirations, like Captain, Captain Manoj Pandey and Captain Vikram Batra. They are my inspirations, because they handled a good task in the Kargil war. And I don't know how they completed, how they fight with the war with the Pakistan, but they have the, so many tension at the Tiger Hill, but they had captured the Tiger Hill. That's all from my side.
Okay. Vicky.
Okay, bro.
Yeah, as we all know, some people, there are some people in everyone's life who inspire us. So, like, I would pick some people like Jack Ma, Abdul Kalam, and Ratan Tata, and even Virat Kohli and Sachin Tendulkar also.
Mhm.
So, and they also inspired many people. And but when it comes to these days, we all go to most of the people go to the YouTube to watch motivational videos, and they do, including me. So, and it and even we get inspired too for some time, and after some time we forget all the things because we don't try to execute the things, and after some days mm, we forget all the things. So all we have to do is to as far I know, we need to positive first thing. Like if we are positive, then we can do anything easily, and we can even change the making our decision. But if we are kind of a negative person, then we would change even our goal, due to fear of people, like what will they think, what will people mm, think about us, what will they say about us. So it's all up to us, and losing and winning is related to every single person, but it's all up to us only. Like if we have if we are in a doubt, if we are in doubt, then we can you know mm, will come across the many negative thoughts, so they can affect us. So all we have to do is to always try to become positive, and that will really helpful for every single person sooner or later. And when it comes to me, uh, my one of maternal uncle also inspired me in terms of English. Like we all are here these days devoted to learning English. So some years back, whenever my maternal uncle used to talk to anyone in English, so I used to get impressed. So I also used to think like I wish I also would speak like him. But I used to execute for some days. Like I, I also have to learn. And after some days, I used to forget all the things and quit all the things. So it's all up to us only. Yeah, that's all
Yeah.
from my side.
Okay, all right. Shivendra?
Yeah, hi everyone. I'm Sivan. And today's topic, how we can inspire another person, right? I'm audible?
Yeah, you are. You are audible.
Okay. So yeah, I think I'm all successful people we inspire all successful people, and not like Sandeep Mahesri, APJ Abdul Kalam, other different. So I think we can inspire other person. So my according 5 points, that's good. And I think believe you can do, you know second person, you can do it, you can believe you can do it, motivate in other work, you like engineering course like UPSC, you can clear UPSC, so you can do it. Okay, so that's believe and motivate for other works, any other exam. Okay, and I think second, life be example. Okay, by example. And my elder brother doing engineering and a good service, and uh, good campus and coming in my in engineering college, so you can select it, and your job and good, and your salary, and different. And third point, in my side, my side, so possibility, because possibility and affected second person, like you do it possibilities, and yeah, I can't explain it, but okay. And fourth example, be sorry, be passionate, ठीक है? Okay.
Definitely, yeah, exactly. Mhm.
Okay, be passionate. Passionate, like after clear UPSC, so your passion, your full respect, and other normal peoples, and government provide you government vehicles, and government provide for you, and and good hometown, so passion.
Mhm.
And I think fifth point, uh, be caring. So you successful, and you helpful, and your health is better, and you careful. So that's a good example, and some points are good for we can any person inspire. So okay.
Yeah, all right. So, Om,
Yes, what was the topic? How can we inspire others? Right?
yeah, how can we inspire other and how can we get inspiration from others? You can talk about both.
Okay. Basically, thing is that for inspiration, I watch YouTube.
Mm-hmm.
As you said, Osho ji. I also
Yeah.
watch Osho ji. His lecture was very much motivating for me. And second thing, I want to add Tomar's what Tomar said. You have a very helpful nature. You should have. This will help very much because after all, we are all humans. We should help very much. This what inspires me because when we help someone, uh, we see the practical things, right? So that's inspiring for me. That's very much inspired me, and and Elon Musk is also there. You can watch many videos, many iconic personalities. You can follow many motivational videos are also there. But I think practically, I think helping some other people is through which you can inspire yourself and others also. That what Tomarji said. I, I seriously like his point. The last point he added. That's all.
Okay. All right. Adil.
Yeah. Hello. Good evening, everyone.
Yeah.
Uh, so, what's our topic? Our topic is how can we inspire other people? But
Yeah.
I
Right.
think, yeah. So, in order to inspire other people, you must have to be inspired. You must have to be passionate about doing something. Because if you really want to inspire other people, so you must have to able to do something. Then only you can inspire other people. First of all, you must have to be passionate about doing anything. So yeah, in, uh, being inspired is very important in order to be best of yourself. And if you are doing any particular thing, you have to be inspired in order to be best of yourself. Yeah, in my opinion, inspire other people is also important because if we inspired from somebody, or like books, or like any famous personality in the world, like Mahatma Gandhi, APJ Abdul Kalam Azad, Ibrahim Lincoln, so we learn from them. So we also should inspire other people who are also who are doing the same.
Okay, bro, this is all from your side.
Yeah, brother. And
Yeah, okay, Kajol.
and I want to tell you
Mm-hmm.
guys that it's my first joining, and
Yeah,
I am very happy to being here. Thank you.
yeah, that's great. Yeah, also welcome to you. And you can join every day. Okay, Kajol.
Yeah, yeah. I want to, yeah, that I want to say about the today's topic, that is about how we inspire us. So I think inspiration is the very important part of our life, which really helps us to achieve anything what we want in our life. And if we say about the how we inspired others, then I think if you don't get motivation or inspiration from yourself, then you are unable to inspire others. First of all, we have to inspired by ourselves, we have to get motivated by ourselves, then after we got inspired other people. And inspiration is like there's two types of words we generally use, like motivation and inspiration. So I think when we watched videos of anyone like Sandeep Maheshwari or anyone, I'm not denying, but yeah, it motivates us for some time, but for inspiration, I think inspiration is a lifelong. There is no anything like, yeah, we get inspired from success people, I know that, I'm not denying it, but my word is that inspiration, you will get inspiration from anything, from situation, from people, from different, in fact, from poor people, from unsuccessful people. It depends on you how you inspired. In fact, sometimes in fact, we have listened a lots of stories from which we could learn that somebody are very poor, and uh, he sorry he got he was too poor, and due to his poor, he inspired from that poor and want to become rich. So the situation also helps us to inspire. So there is no need that we inspired from only people, and yeah, it depends on people to people what we want, because sometimes there is an actor who is good at acting, like there are some cricketer like Virat Kohli is absolutely good in fitness. So it depends on us, maybe we inspired Virat Kohli because of his fitness, because yeah, we what we want, we are motivate sorry inspired from them. So I think many of the good actors, like they are in good acting, so we inspired from their work. So it depends on situation, it depends on people. It doesn't matter that we inspired from only the successful people, we can inspired from from low
Yeah.
people, from middle class. It depends on people. And I think I also watched videos of many people like Sadhguru, and I generally used to watch Sandeep Maheshwari, but I'm not inspired, but yeah, I actually I follow some of the points, like if I like that points, then I generally follow. But I think inspiration come from yourself. This is really very important part of our life, because if we can't inspire ourselves, then we can't inspire others people.
Exactly.
And one more thing, that I really inspired by my friend, one of my friend, and the reason behind is that she is not successful right now, but he's her attitude, or her way of working on anything, that really inspired me for. And I think the only person I got inspired, but yeah, I learned from many people, like Sadhguru, like Sandeep Maheshwari. But yeah, I think I think inspiration will come in any way, in any time, we never know. So that's my point. So yeah.
Yeah, all right. Anyone there who wants to make any more point?
Okay, I would like to say one thing regarding to motivation. So first thing, if I talk about motivation, so we always motivated from inside ourselves, not from outside. Because if you watch some videos on YouTube or any other platform and you feel motivated, but what is the worst part of that outside motivation? After some times later, when our memory gets slowed down regarding to that video, our motivation is also decrease. So after 3 days or after 7 days later, we completely forget
Yeah,
the
that's
video.
true.
So on that time, our motivation is also going down, because now sometimes, we watched a videos regarding to workout and we see six packs and different kinds of music. We got really excited to go to gym and doing hard workout. But what happened after 1 week later? We just say that I have no
Hmm.
motivation. So we have to do work. We have to take action. When we take action and when we see a result of it, then we can see a true motivation who comes from inside ourselves. Means with that motivation comes from after our action. When we take action, then the motivation that comes. We should use that motivation, and it's the long lost thing. Yes.
Yeah, and I think, if we are doing something, like if you want to, be fit, I think so. First of all, we inspired, and I think it's not motivation. If we get motivated and start gymming, so I think it will only long for 1 week,
Yeah,
or for
temporarily.
maybe 2 weeks. But if we got inspired, and if we got the reason behind this, why we should do it, the strong reason, I think the
Right.
strong reason is the reason for get inspired, I think.
Right.
So there is a reason for doing anything, so I think if we have the reason, then we got inspired from it.
Yes,
Right.
Yeah.
So
we just
Because
check the physique of that guy who is the successful person, and later if we are not consistent, we can't achieve it. Actually, we forgot about the hard work of that person, that how he gave his time and how he gave his or her time in that activity. Whether he's a YouTuber, whether he's any bodybuilder.
right means
So it
that,
will take time. So we should learn from our failures.
right.
Yes, Nabil.
Yeah, if you wanna achieve anything, so if you go for
Yeah.
any psychologist, he always asks you, why do you wanna achieve? Why? So you have to figure out your why. What is the reason behind if you wanna
strong
achieve anything, like
reason.
learn language or working out, whatever you wanna do. So you have to know about a strong reason, a strong why behind which are you gonna do. Yes,
And I
Yes,
think
Nabil.
that strong reason will helps us to inspired, I think.
exactly.
If we are poor and we have see many things in our lives, and when we really work hard for become, to become at least rich. I'm saying it depends on people to people, how we want, like if we are practicing our English, if we have the reason, if we have the why, then I think there is no motivation will work. It's up to us. It will come from inside, that I want to. So yeah, the